Welcome. The following video includes some brief recommendations when analyzing geosynthetic-related projects. For this, we'll be using the one-click LCA material compass. For projects using geosynthetic materials, be it geomembranes, geotextiles, geocomposites, geogrids, or geostraps, the growing one-click LCA database contains several manufacturer-specific data points. As there are several EPDs for a specific product category, special care should be taken when selecting each material. For reinforcement applications, grade can vary. For drainage and coverage applications, there are several hydraulic properties and thicknesses. Let's say we require a geocomposite. We'll have several thicknesses, densities, and material compositions. If the desired geocomposite is not available, it is recommended to use the closest matching one. If in doubt, remember to access the product EPDs for further information as to properly assess if the selected geosynthetic material matches their needs. Users must also remember to include any construction activities related to the use of the geosynthetics. For example, geomembers can be soldered on site, hence, on-site energy consumption must be considered.